In step 9, I'm going to talk to you about doing a voiceover. So I usually do voiceovers over extra B-roll when I'm giving extra information. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to select the B-roll that I'm going to do my voiceover for, and I'm going to mute the audio. So I'm going to turn the audio all the way down so that there is no audio as we do the voiceover. So I'm going to move my cursor to where I'm going to start my voiceover. I'm going to select the microphone option. And right now, it's just using my normal microphone. So I need to go ahead and make a change so that my audio is coming from a different point. So I have plugged in my microphone, and I'm going to, next to the record button, I'm going to click the options, and I'm going to change it from the built-in microphone to the blue eyeball. So it's going to be either the blue eyeball or the blue snowball, depending on which microphone you have. And once I have that selected, now it's telling me that my audio is coming from that location. So then when I am ready to record, again, I need to select the beginning of my clip, and then I hit the record button. And it's going to count down from 3. Once it counts down from 3, then it's going to start recording my voiceover. Once I have finished recording my voiceover, then I need to go in and work with the audio and make corrections so that my project sounds even from beginning to end.